What's up guys, welcome back. In today's story I'm going to show you guys how to make the holy water cocktail. You guys mean blue carousel, dripstick, Bacardi white rum, vodka, crushed ice, lemon syrup, pineapple juice, mint, blueberries, strawberries and cucumber for decoration or sliced up. Right, let's get started. Okay, first grab your glasses, put in your ice, just about half of the glass first full of ice. And you grab your decorations, cucumbers or blueberries or strawberries. I'm mixing all of them together. Just like that. Then you guys grab your dripstick, one shot. Bacardi, 1.5 shots. Then your Sky vodka or normal vodka, 1 shot. And your lemon syrup, also 1 shot. Yeah. Then you grab your ice and fill up your glass. Then your pineapple juice on the top. Just fill it up. Then you grab your blue carousel just over it. You have your stirring stick. A nice little stir. There you guys have it. Holy water cocktail. Come back tomorrow for another tutorial.